I'm Aaron. I just got my first subscription of Crunchlabs. Crunchlabs is a company founded by Mark Rober. He is a famous YouTuber with over 22 million subscribers. He makes really interesting robots and explains the science and physics behind them really well. The purpose of Crunchlabs is to teach kids how to build, test, solve, play, and think like an engineer. There are 12 monthly subscriptions. With each Crunchlabs box, you make a machine and learn how it works. The first subscription is a disk launcher. Now I will open the box. At the top of the box is a QR code that opens a video about the disk launcher. According to this paper, there's a board you get on the first month. You get a gear-shaped badge each month, and after 12 months, you finish a gear train and get a signature from Mark Rober. This is the building instructions, and these are the parts to build the disk launcher. These are all the parts in the box. I will build it now. It's done. Now I will explain how the disk launcher works. This tube holds the disks. There's a gap underneath it that is 1 disk tall. So when you pull this lever, it pushes a disk out. The disk makes contact with this blue wheel and shoots out, following this yellow foam track. The blue wheel is a flywheel. The main focus of this subscription is flywheels. A flywheel is a wheel that is hard to start spinning, but once it starts spinning, it doesn't want to stop because it has a lot of angular momentum. This way, it can store a lot of energy. In Mark Rober's video about the disk launcher, he had an example. In his example, there were 2 cylinders with the same mass and circumference. The first one had all its mass on the rim, and the second one's mass was evenly distributed. When he rolled them down a slope, the second one was faster because the first one is like a flywheel and is hard to start spinning. But the first one rolled farther because it stores energy. There are many examples of flywheels around us. For example, they are used in a lot of vehicles like cars, trains, and buses to smooth out motion. They are also found in some toys to power them. Tennis, ping pong, and other ball servers have flywheels too. There are even flywheels in some torpedoes and railguns. It's really fun. This is my first subscription of Crunchlabs, a disk launcher. I will see you next month. Please like and subscribe.